Afternoon students, today we are going to learn EVS part 2, lesson number 7, that is Swaraj's first conquest. In the previous lesson we had studied about the oath of Swaraj and that he took oath at Raireshwar temple to set his own Raj or Swaraj. In this lesson we are going to see how Shivaji Maharaj set up Hindavi Swaraj. Okay, so let's start with this lesson, that is Swaraj first conquest. First tell me what is meaning of conquest. Conquest means a area of a land that has been taken in a war. Okay, it is no doubt that the Shivaji and his comrade took the oath of Swaraj at the temple of Raireshwar. But it is very difficult task. In those days, Maharashtra was governed by four different powers, that is, in the Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa, and the Siddhi of Janjira. They were powerful opponents. No one dared to fight against them. Under this condition, Shivaji has taken an oath of Swaraj. Now let's see in this lesson. Okay, Swaraj first conquest, the conquest of Torna. Torna is a fort in Pune district. It lies to the southwest of Pune in the Sahyadri hills. It is a very high fort. In fact, it is the highest fort in Pune district. The valley surrounding the fort is called the Kannad Valley. The fort had temple of goddess Toranjai in it. That is why the fort was named Torna. Do you know what a machi is? Machi is a lookout point that is built on the fort. You know that a fort is on a hill, a machi is on a flat part of the hill. Walls would be built around it and cannons would be placed there. The soldiers would stand on the machi to defend the fort. The fort of Torna has two such machis. One is the Budla Machi and other is the famous Junjar Machi. Okay. The word Junjar in Marathi means a good person who fights a war against evil. Just like its name, the Junjar Machi could help fight against the fort attackers. It has steep edges on all sides, so it was not easy for the enemy to reach it. The fort of Torna was very strong indeed, but strongly such a strong fort was not looked after by Adil Shah. It was neglected. There were not enough guards looking after the fort. There were also not enough weapons or ammunition inside the fort. Okay? As Shivaji had made a detailed study of the area, he knew this. That is why he selected Torna as the first fort that he would capture. That would start the process of setting up Hindavi Swaraj. And so Shivaji took a few Mawlas as his soldiers and went into the Kannad valley. His team was quick like deer and brave like lions. They went up quickly to the top of the fort and took control of all the important positions. They acted quickly. He put up the Maratha flag at the entrance of the Torna fort. Yesaji Kank put up his men at all main positions of the fort. The fort was captured. The winning over the fort was over, and Shivaji won at his first task. They beat drums and blew trumpets to announce their victory. Everyone shouted Shivaji Maharaj ki jai, Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Everybody in valley knew that Shivaji had conquered the fort of Torna. The first conquest of Swaraj was successful. Shivaji named this fort Prachandagad. The word Prachanda in Marathi means something that is really huge. Since this was a huge and strong fort, it was a good name for this fort. At the fort of Torna was now under Shivaji's control. He studied it properly and made arrangement to look after it. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. Okay.